Hi, to set up VPN on your OnePlus Nord 3, as a first step, we need to open Play Store. Here in the search tab, we need to find the Turbo VPN and select this orange icon and then download the app. Now, after that, we need to open it. If you firstly downloaded it, you would need to agree with terms and conditions, and after that, you would see this screen. So, to connect to another server, we'll need to simply tap on this caret icon and wait a couple of seconds. Yes, in the app you can find a lot of advertising, so you can just close it and then open it again to skip the advertising. And if you are connected, you would see the VPN right in your upper panel. So here you can see to which country you connected. You can choose another country if you just select it. And here we can switch to the United States, for example, and select New York. And now it is connecting to the New York server. So we're just waiting a couple of seconds and it should appear on the upper panel as well. And yes, now we are connected because we can see the status VPN. So to disconnect, we will need to simply tap on the cross and select the option to disconnect. And now we can see the advertising as well, which is really annoying, but it is worth it. So let's just wait till we can skip this video. Tap on the cross and now we are disconnected. Here we can see the connection report as well. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.